Whoa, whoa. Hey, I'm gonna dye my hair today. Crazy. What I think I'm gonna do is do half of my hair blonde and half brunette. So I'm just gonna dye half my hair. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, I'm so nervous. But you know Best Dressed, the former YouTuber slash now Instagram girly, our fave. Anyways, she did that hairdo a long time ago and I always thought it looked cute. And for a while I had like the money pieces or whatever you call them, like the two, you know, front little things. And I really liked those. And I kinda wanna do that, but also like hair is so temporary. I don't care, it'll grow out in a few months. I feel like I might as well just go bold and do a full thing. So that's what we're gonna do today. Here's some of the things we have to work with. I think I'm gonna use this bleach. And then if I don't like the color, I think I might use this. Like if I don't like the brassy blonde afterwards, I'm gonna end up doing it peach. Or maybe purple, no. Yeah. And Sierra's gonna help me, right? You look so scared just sitting there. So I don't know if I should take a shower first or I don't know how to get it perfectly down the middle either without like wetting my hair and making it perfect. Also, I'm pretty sure it's Mercury retrograde right now and I'm definitely going through it a little bit. So, you know, what do queers do when we feel unstable in our lives? We dye our hair. What that looks like, never mind. I also wet my hair a little bit so I could split it down the middle more evenly. What if I walked around like this? And, I'm breathing in these fumes. Sierra's helping me part my hair in the back.
Yeah, she is.
We look like siblings. When we moved in together too, we also had the same front hair, the little blonde pieces.
And the same 3 pairs of shoes.
And now we're both wearing white t-shirts. We do this all the time where Sierra and I will walk out of our rooms wearing the same color palettes. Sometimes the same exact outfits.
Quite literally.
This is part a straight line all the way down. So slay.
Save a horse, ride a toilet.
Whoa, whoa, ew.
Excuse me. How should I help? Here are the gloves. Here is a towel if we need. Whoa, I can't believe I'm bleaching my hair. Thank you for your help.
Oh, yeah.
I can just like kind of hold it too.
Yeah! Alright, wait, little gay part.
Little gay part. My hair's so gay. Oh, I can already feel my hair stinging.
Oh.
My scalp is burning.
Is it really?
Yeah, it hurt. No, I'm kidding.
Stop. This part's so one.
Look at that.
Look how clean the line is though.
I know that line is good. Y'all, if you ever want precision with your hair or nails or literally anything that requires precision, ask a Virgo. Because Virgos slay at this kind of behavior. It's so tickly. Oh, so good. Oh, should I bleach part of my eyebrow right now? Which one should I do? Should I do part of the other? Yeah, that'll really get her going. I look bald. I look like I have a bald cap on. Does anyone else watch The Real? Does anyone else watch The Real? It's my favorite show. Not my favorite show, but like one of my favorite talk shows. And I've been watching it for several years now. Since I was in high school, it was like my comfort show other than Ellen, but then Ellen got a little weird. Yeah, and they just filmed their last episode recently, like in the past few weeks. The fact that that era's over makes me feel like a part of my like childhood and youth is over too, and it makes me sad. Anyways, back to the hair journey. All right, I think I'm gonna take it off right now and just like, this looks sick. I can't. I think I'm gonna just wash it out, see how brassy it looks from there. I can already tell it's gonna be very, very, very brassy. And then I'm gonna try to put some like purple toner. Although it's not actually toner, it's actually like a purple hair dye, but it really works poorly. Like this sucks, I'm not gonna lie. Well, at least for people with dark hair. If I had blonde hair and I was bleaching it, this would be totally fine, but my hair is too dark and won't allow this to actually hold. But I think I can actually tone this and like take away some of the warmth and make it a little bit more cool toned. Oh, it's still so itchy. Oh my god, it's yellow. So I could do another round of bleach here, or I think I could just tone it. But this, oh, the roots are so pretty. This product, don't recommend it. It's a very weird gloopy kind of texture though. I don't like it. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Also this, like, I don't care if some of it gets on the brown side because it won't really show in the darker hair, so I'm just gonna kind of get it in. I'm talking through this like it's a tutorial, and I want you to know this is not a tutorial. I have no idea what I'm doing. The only reason why this looks good is because Sierra did it. So, it's so itchy still. Is it good? Okay. So while this dries, I play Minecraft. And I watch a little bit of Circle. You know, The Circle on Netflix? Very good. Oh my god. All I do on Minecraft is I build houses. So this is the house I'm building right now. This is like my dream house right here. Like this is my realistic house that I want to live in. I'll give you a tour someday of like these houses if you want it. Ah, here's my house. So cute. Here's my little living room area. Here's my kitchen. Look insane. I might have to bleach it again tomorrow, but let me give it like an hour to dry, and then we'll check in. All right? All right. Well, I'm off into the city, but look at this final hair. Look, isn't it so cool? I think Sierra and I are gonna try to tone this a little bit more because I tried putting purple in it, and now it just looks like a mixture of purple and brass and yellow and blonde. Anyways, I like this a lot. It's gonna be a slay of the summer, an absolute slay of a hairstyle. So, I'll see you later, I guess. Oh my god, also look, I redid my eyeliner opposite colors, so I wanted to keep it symmetrical though, and this is my gun. Juicy fruit. Alright, bye.